Nongelam ke NPP bat Menteri Sorkar Jylla Rakkam sangma hak khatnrio trik nopra ulabu jingkeli yak liang persya Voice of the People's Party VPP lakan khanglad sendan yak jingwan ki kinhun nongtem nongrwai hashlong ladakan yok benshimti hakabor hak Jylla kani ka jingkan tho jong uni menteri kalong ru ka jubab ya ka jingkan no jong ka seng VPP ba kita masa ya put ya tem kilongkum ki dawai pen kot shipor ni pin kila na ka benta ki pat ba bakin klet ki kam bamsap pat ki jing ki bakum ka Jylla kalaman lada jaring khat balada shisien ka sngi ka VPP kan thau sorkar kan khanglat ka jingwan jong ki kunhun nongtem nongrwai kum ka shlong chamber kwaya bakin yashim benta ha shlong kani ka dei ka ka bangasngo bakam dei ka bayahap na ka benta ki khna samla ka Jylla jongi ngam tep kumno ki thmu da ka baong pain kila Hato dei na markim sngotanat ya ka jingput jingtem kumta lada ngam bakla ki bahyeng jongki ki nongkershan jongki le se kelayodan lang bat upat ba hakatu kasngi bawantem O'Brien Adam ong Rakkam lada jia baki wan ha ka bor kata kamot kin khanglat ikikin hun nongtem nongrwai bakin wan ha shlong kani kalong ka bam sngo ya ha bat ka ba penduk mensiem bat ka deiru ka khubor ka baki khna samla ka Jylla kin menjur satya ula banram Umenteri ula ongru ba ukerman scam bakin dangdon shushu kita masa ya put yatem ki bakham krau shushu ban ya ka concert jong O'Brien Adams ki bandang wan sha Meghalaya lada urakam sangma unwan tem hamadan polo hatu ki patba kinwan shishlong hatu ki hotel kindap da ki brio an dan bawan Henry ha ka jingwan O'Brien Adam ngila sakhi ba barok ki hotel kiladam barok ki dukan kiladam ki kali kamai kiladam bat ki babun ba ki brio na kaleng ki jaga kenthop na asam kilat he pisa sha ka ni ka Jylla namar kata kamde satya tang halor ka put katem ula ong ula benrap ru namar kata lada dan menu ha ka ni ka juk ka bamenta ki bam pediang ya ka ni ka jingwan ki nongtem nongrwai ba pau nam ka perthei shlong kani ka dei ka kam ka basngo benyaw namar ki nongshong shnong ka Jylla ki dei ki babang ban skap ya karwai ka siaw bat ka put katem bat ki basngo tanat ru ban rwai
I don't know what they means. Is it they don't like the music? So if I'm not wrong, their families, their friends, the supporter might have also joined the audience on the date day. Look at the larger figure, like the world-renowned artist like Bryn Adams coming to Shillong and performing, and now it's gone worldwide, across the globe, that they have recognized yes, the Bryn Adams, one of the greatest of all the times perform in Shillong. Where is Shillong? In India. Where is Shillong? In Northeast. Where is Shillong? It's in Meghalaya, right? So that what you call, we have the result, we have the object. Of course, it has taken the Shillong to the greater height that we should have been doing. So I don't know whether they like music or not, but I've seen they also used to sing the song, right? So that means if they form the government, if one day if they dreams to form the government, they will not allow artists and any like Shillong Chamber not to perform in the state. We should allow. I don't think so. This is something which is, I think this I don't, that does not sound good for the young people of our state. So at least look, there are many young people of our state wants to become somebody. I have become a politician today because why? Because I met during my 6-7 years old. I met Captain Deplesamo once when I was very, very small. That day I thought I should become a politician one day. Maybe that same story will be to every young people of our state. So looking at the Bryn Adams, I don't know the names of the great singers. Like, I wish I should be part of the Shillong Chamber Choir, who will be presenting in America, Japan, London, anywhere in the world, right? So I think what they said is something doesn't sound good for the state, because we are the capital of the rock capital of the country, right? Rock capital of the country. So I think rather I wish we should have more, even greater than Prince Adams. I wish, and I should be given to perform also, right? I perform in such a state, will people come to listen? Nobody. If Rakkam Sangma perform in the polo ground, will somebody come to Shillong? Will our hotel will be filled? Nobody here. And during Brenda Adams' concert, every hotels are full, every concerts are full, every vehicles are full. Our what call our shopkeeper, hotel, restaurant, taxi are all full. They have got support. Lots of from Assam they come here. The petrol from Meghalaya they have used, right? So the wine from Meghalaya, the bidi cigarette from Meghalaya, everybody consume, right? So they have come across the northeast just to invest, right? They have not taken out from our state. They have rather they have been invested. Those things is connected. It's not only about the music, right? In case, if in case by miracle, I don't know, if they come to the power, that means they will not allow the artists to perform in Shillong. So this is very doesn't sound good, and this is very what you call the discourage agenda and the message and the what you call objective which the young people of our state will not agree with. So I think this is a something I don't know. This should not debate today. Somebody at this generation disliking, not approving the world artists coming to Shillong. Something I don't. There is something that should not come in and to be discussed like this also. So this is very unfortunate to say so. Where every citizen of the Shillong love to listen, love to see. So tomorrow if the what you call Ronaldo and what you call Messi, the Brazilians come to play, they will not allow, right? Means look, not only about education. Look, we did what you call the inspiration. There is a saying so. Some medical teacher used to elaborate, right? A good teacher explain, right? All things, but great teacher inspire. So like this great musicians, artists will inspire the young generation of our state. That's what we want. I think rather they should give some more idea how to promote instead of objecting and opposing to this kind. They should appreciate. They should say, I was expecting, thanks to the MD government, Conrad Summa government, Paul Lingdo for tourism minister for bringing such a great high-end quality artist to the state. They should appreciate. But rather, it is unfortunate they have opposed to this. So this is something not to the tunes of the young people Shillong sing.